Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 computer not showing up on the network name. My PC is not showing the network name, but it was showing earlier. Everyone is showing the network name and no one can see the network name. Check my PC device name showing Sunny. Some users seem to be running into a network discovery problem after upgrading Windows 10, where one or more computers connected to the network don't show up. Microsoft removed the homegroup function with Windows 10, and this could be a possible reason for the problem. First, open the control panel. After the control panel opens, click on Network and Internet. Then click to Network and Sharing Center. Next, click the Change Advanced Sharing Options. Thereafter, under the Change Sharing Options for different network profiles part, check if the Turn on Network Discovery and Turn on File and Printer Sharing option has been checked in the private part. Next, enable the following under the All Networks section. Turn on File and Printer Sharing to allow read and write access to all public folders for all computers on the network. Also select Use 128-bit encryption to help protect file sharing connections, recommended for file sharing connections. If you trust all devices on the network, you could also turn off password protected sharing. Finally, click the Save Changes button to bring them into effect, as shown. Windows 10 network sharing not working problem should be solved now. However, if you've tried everything but failed, you can use the computer browser service and fix the computer not showing up on the network problem by enabling the SMB1.0 file sharing protocol. Search for Windows features in the Start menu and select Turn Windows features on or off. Look for SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support and check the box beside it and press OK. Click on OK to save and exit. Reboot the system if requested. If all the methods were followed accurately, you can be rest assured that network file sharing has been properly configured. Issues with the network itself may be prohibiting the computer from viewing other connected systems. In such cases, resetting all related items should fix Windows 10 network sharing not working issue. Launch Windows Settings and navigate to Network and Internet. Now, under Status, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Network Reset. Thereafter, click on Reset Now button. Restart your computer and after rebooting, check if you can discover the computers on your network or not. Hopefully, computers not showing up on network issue in your Windows 10 system has now been resolved. Sharing files over the network can be a complicated process. Also, if you have any queries, suggestions regarding this video, then feel free to drop them in the comments box. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.